today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Today's video is going to be brought to you by the company Wowafrican Hair. It makes sure to film some unboxing, which I'll make sure to put it on the side. The unit that I will be showcasing today is their natural curl unit, and this one does have your 4C edges, also has your 6 inches of parting space. And this is what the curls look like straight out of the box. Really pretty. This unit does come with HD lace, and they did bleach the frontal area, so this is what the cap construction is looking like. You get 2 combs on the side. You also get a comb in the middle, a comb in the back, your adjustable straps, and you also get your adjustable elastic band. What I love about this hair is that this is a kinky straight texture, and this is also a natural color, but it feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy at all. I think they did a really good job with the curls, because for it to still look like this straight out of the box, I'm definitely impressed. I went ahead and adjusted the straps in the back. This one doesn't have any lace to cut off. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on so you can see what it's looking like. As you can see, this already comes as a left side part, which I don't mind. The only thing that can go to me is these edges, because I feel like this just looks so pretty, and then this is just right here. I'm personally either going to press them back some, and then they're pretty short, so I'm probably just gonna try to press them back. I do like that this already comes pre-styled. So the only thing that I feel like I have to work with is the edges. If you want to leave them alone, look, that's a personal preference. I personally can go without them. I'm gonna have to end up cutting a little bit of lace off on the side so that it can sit above my ear. And the fit on this is actually nice. This is the straps. I did not tighten up the elastic band anymore, and I don't feel like I have to worry about this slipping and sliding. I'm gonna go ahead and install this unit. It shouldn't take me long. I don't feel like it, because it already comes pre-curl. So I just need to get the lace together and then cut off these sides and then do something with the edges. And of course, I'll be back to show you guys the final look and tell you guys my final thoughts. installing this unit and it came out so nice. Now I'm not gonna lie, at first I was a little bit intimidated by the edges in the front, but once I styled them and everything, I feel like it just brought the look all together. First thing that I did was cut off some of the lace on the side so that the lace can sit above my ear. Those edges out of the way, and I hot comb behind the edges, and then I hot comb the actual edges. Now, I always say it's a personal preference when it comes to what you want to do with the hairline. I just knew I did not want to leave them like that. And I also considered plucking them out. But one thing that I've noticed with some of the wigs that have, you know, the natural edges in the front is that if you pluck it out too much, then it'll start to look like it's bald. And I didn't want that look. Then I went in with this wig grip spray by Olive Oil, and I sprayed it on top of the lace. And then I decided to style the edges after everything dried down. I went in with this lace putty by �she_IS_BOMB. This is my second time using this. The first time I used this, I installed a closure wig. And it says that you can use this on edges or styling your edges. So I was like, let me see. Use a little bit of it because I wasn't sure if it was going to come off too shiny. And it didn't, y'all. It didn't come off shiny at all. So I just played around with the front. I did like this little cute little swoop. And then I just swoop the sides. It's really nice and soft. It's not too shiny at all. I also pushed some of the hair back into the rest of the hair. And I just feel like it looks really good. I tied my satin scarf around it. I just let it sit for a little bit. Then I took it off. And it just came all together. I go in with some of my powder into the parting space area. I also had to put a little bit of a lighter powder around the front of the hairline. This is HD lace, but because they did go in and bleach the frontal, I just feel like it was coming off a little bit too red. So that lighter powder definitely helped to conceal everything. And yeah, that looks so natural. Like, y'all can tell I'm happy with how it looks. I also went in with the hot comb at the top, but I really went in on this side a bit more to press it down because I feel like it was just sticking up too much. And I didn't want to flatten this out all the way because I do feel like this is supposed to have some volume. So I think it looks good without it being too flat. It's just up to you what you want to do. And then I added a little bit of Sleek and Shine serum, and I lightly fluffed up the hair. And I want to fluff it up too much because I still wanted you guys to see how defined these curls are. Like, they did their thing when they curled this wig, okay? The curls are definitely curling. This looks so pretty. Yes, I am getting just a little bit of frizziness. And then flyaways, I'm noticing a little bit at the top. As far as shedding and tangling goes, I did receive a little bit of shedding from the frontal area from me going in and cutting off the lace on the side. Tangles, I have not run my fingers through this hair. I'm going to be honest with you all. But it is kinky straight hair, so I do expect some snags in the nape area if you're going to wear this in the winter time with some coats and some sweaters. It's going to happen. But y'all, I don't know, I wish that this could just stay like this because I know once you wash it, it is going to just go straight, and you are going to have to put the work in to add these type of curls back. But oh my gosh, it's like I don't even want to wash this because I don't want the curls to go away. I just wish it could stay like this. I'm happy with the way that this looks. I think that this came out really cute, and I also feel like this is going to be one that is really nice for the holiday season. Now, yes, if you wanted to look like this, you are going to have to go in and finesse it. For me, straight out of the package, I just was not a fan of the way that the edges look. But it's all about going in and just doing some extra work to them. But I can say, I'll take it. Because that was the only real work that I had to put in, and it really didn't take me any time. Let me know what you guys think about this one. If you are feeling this, I am going to make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.